We do. We do buy old junk batteries.
It's a Napa commercial battery.
What type of battery is it?
I mean, I'm sorry.
What type of battery is it again, Mel?
It's a Napa commercial battery.
It's a car battery. Is it a car battery?
It has pictures of trucks and buses and stuff. It says distributed by Napa Batteries, Baltimore, Maryland, and
Ma'am, ma'am, whoever sells the battery doesn't make a difference. I'm asking, is it a car or a truck battery?
I believe it's a truck battery.
A truck battery? You say it's a commercial big battery?
Yes, a commercial big battery.
All right, you're looking at $6 for it then. $6.
I'm sorry, I'm looking at how much?
$6. $6 for truck batteries.
6?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right. Better guys.
Hey, I was calling to see if you have any 55 amp hour batteries.
We do. How many you need?
At the moment, I need at least 2.
Okay. What's the year, make, and model of the truck that are going in, sir?
It's going in a power wheelchair.
A group size 65 going into a power wheelchair?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cycle. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. So you said you need 2 group size 65 batteries, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, I got them in stock, $80 a piece plus tax. Turn it with the old core.
$80 is a refurb, or you?
They refurb.
Okay. All right. I'll get back with you when I get a chance to go over there.
All right. We also got a 2-year warranty too for $20 more. You also can get a 2-year warranty if you didn't want a 1-year warranty.
No, man. I buy and sell wheelchairs.
Okay.
I'll just need something to go in there.
I got you, buddy. We got them in stock. We close at 5 o'clock.
All right. Thanks.
All right. Thank you. Bye. Battery Guyz.
Yeah, I'm looking for batteries for my uncle's Bobcat.
Out of deep cycles.
Okay. Is a deep cycle battery?
It's like top post, but it's got nuts that screw down and hold them down.
That's a deep cycle battery.
Okay. Yeah,
We gotta go.
like a 24 amp, right? Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta go pick up some batteries.
Yeah. Right now,
You don't carry those?
we're out of stock of those right now, sir.
Oh, damn.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you. Better Guys.
Hey, I got a question. Do y'all test batteries for like scooters and things like that? Or can you?
For scooters, what you mean? Test like what?
Like a scooter, like a mobility scooter, like
Yeah.
almost like a wheelchair or something like that.
Yeah, we can. Yep. We got a battery tester. We can test those.
Okay. Okay. Are you familiar with the scooters? Some of them have the shrouds over them. You actually have to. I mean, it'll have the connection ports where, but you'll have to actually take off the back itself and to test the batteries.
No, sir. No, sir. I mean, I was thinking that you basically have the batteries you could bring in to us, then we can basically test the batteries with our battery tester. We don't. Yeah, that's mainly what we do. The battery's already, accessible. We can test it at that point, but that's how we do it.
Okay. Okay. There's no way y'all can. They got some cons over in it's actually about a mile from y'all, and they have a scooter, but they would have to have help probably take the wheel through that and undoing the shroud part.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
You
yeah,
can actually.
yeah. That's not our specialty right there. That's not our specialty at all, sir. To be honest with you.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Well, I appreciate the honesty.
All right. Thank you for the
All
call,
right.
sir.
Thank
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.